Hello children, how are you all? Yes, I hope all are fine. Yes, my dear children, in our previous classes we have discussed addition, subtraction, multiplications. Okay, these are the basic operations, mathematical operations. In this class we are going to learn the one more basic operation, that is division. Yes dear, here this is your fifth chapter in your syllabus. This name is division. Yes. Okay children, this is your chapter number 5, division. Yes, I written here type 1. In this type 1 questions we can study the exercise 5.1 and 5.2 sums. Yes, with the help of these examples we can learn how to divide the numbers by one digit number and two digit numbers, as it is 4 digit number and this 4 digit number is divided by one digit number. And in this here type 2, it is divide and check your answer, how to divide the numbers, and after dividing how to check the answer I will tell you later. First of all, I will come to the first question. It is 8445 is divided by 4. Yes my dear, the first solution is like this. All of you look at the board. Now this is 8445 is divided by 4. A number or division by one digit number. How to divide the number by one digit? Okay, 4 is a one digit number. We will start the solution. Yes, first of all you can write as shown. Okay, this 8445 is a dividend. Okay, what it is? It is a dividend. D-I-V-I-D-E-N-D. Then this 4 is a divisor. D-I-V-I-S-O-R. Already you learned in the previous classes. Okay, this 4 is a divisor, 8445 is a dividend. Now children, let's start the division. Now 4 is there here in the division, divisor, and 8. You have to take this thousands place. 8 is in the thousands place. Yes, now I will divide this 8 by 4. 4 how much are 8? 8 4 2s are 8. Then that's 8 minus 8 is 0. Then bring down this hundreds place. 4 is there now, in the hundred place 4 is there. That 4 number you can take down, then it becomes 4. 4 how much are 4? 4 ones are 4. Subtract these two numbers. 4 minus 4 is 0. Then in the tens place, what is there? In the tens place 4 is there. Bring down this 4. Then it becomes 4. Then again 4 ones are 4. 4 minus 4 is 0. Then in the ones place 5 is there, no? That we can take down and this becomes 5. Again 4 ones are 4, because if I take 4 twos are 8. In the 5, 8 cannot be subtracting. That's why 5 minus 4 is 1. My dear, this 1 is called what? 1 is called the remainder, and this 2111 is called quotient. In the division, quotient is the answer. What is the answer in the division? Quotient is the answer. Okay. Yes my dear, this is the first type. We are discussing type 1 sums. Okay, later we will go to the type 2 and how to check the answer. Yes, whether my answer is right or wrong, we will check in the type 2 examples. First of all, you have to learn how to divide a number by one digit number. This is your first example. Okay, next I will go to the second question. Is 6818 is divided by 9. Okay, look at the board children. First of all, 6818, right as shown. 6818 is a dividend and 9 is a divisor. Now taking this both places, thousands and hundreds place, now it becomes 68. Yes, now tell me, in that 9 table 68 number is there? Not there. That's why we will take the nearest number, we will take to the nearest number for this next 68. So 9 how much ja? 9 7 ja, 9 1 ja 9, 9 2 ja 18, 9 3 ja 27, 9 4 ja 36, 9 5 ja 45. Say along with me the table of 9. 9 6 ja 54, 9 7 ja 63. Okay, if I take 9 8 ja 72, 9 8 ja 72 means this 68 is less than 72. That's why I will take 9 7 ja 63. Then subtract these two numbers, 68 minus 63, or 8 minus 3 is 5, 6 minus 6 is 0. Then in the tens place 1 is there, bring down this 1 and this becomes a 51. Then check the 51 is there in that ninth table, not there. That's why I will take the nearest number for this 51. 9 5 are 45. If I take 9 6 are, what happens? 9 6 are 9 5 are 45, 9 6 are 54. That is 54 is greater than 51. That's why it is not subtracting. That's why I will take 9 5 are 45. Now subtract these two numbers. 1 minus 5 is not possible to subtract. Then simplify this one. Then this 5 becomes a 4 and this 1 becomes 11. 11 minus 5 is 6 and 4 minus 4 is 0. Then my dear, this in the ones place 8 is there now. Bring down this 8. Now it becomes 68. 9 how much is 68 in the table of 9? 9 68 is there? Not there. I will take 9 7 ja again. 9 7 ja 63. My dear, now 8 minus 3 is what? 8 minus 3 5. 6 minus 6 0. Now it is 5 is the remainder and this 757 is the quotient. Okay, in the division always quotient is the answer. Okay, yes, this one is 74,243 is divided by 4. Of course it is a 5 digit number, it is a 1 digit number. Now write as shown. 74,243 is a dividend, and 4 is a divisor. Now 4 how much ja? Now I will take this 7 is in the 10,000s place. Now 7 is in the 10,000s place. I will consider this 7. 7 is greater than 4. That's why 4 ones are you take 4. If I take 4 twos are 8 in the 7, 8 will not subtracting. That's why 4 ones are 4 and subtract these two numbers. 7 minus 4 is becomes 3. Then in the thousands place what number is that? 4. This 4 you can take down. It becomes what? 34. Then
4 8 ja 32.
Then 4 minus 2 is 2. 3 minus 3 is 0. Again in the hundreds place 2 is there now. Take 2 down and this becomes 22. Then my dear 4 5s are 20. So 20 is the nearest number to 22. That's why 2 minus 0 is 2. 2 minus 2 is 0. Then we will take in the tens place 4 is there now. We take 4 down and this becomes 2 becomes 24. Then my dear 4 6 are 24. Then subtract these two numbers. 4 minus 4 is 0. 2 minus 2 is 0. Again in the ones place what number is there? 3. To bring down this 3 and this becomes in the dividend 3 is there and here 4. 4 is greater than 3. That's why 4 zeros are, take 4 zeros are 0 and 3 minus 0 is 3. You can write down 3 minus 0 is 3 and now this 3 is the remainder. 3 is the remainder and
18,560
is the quotient and it is the answer for this question. Have understood? I hope these first type 1 questions and solutions have understood. I hope you are understood these type 1 questions. In this type 2 questions, what type of questions here? Here also we can divide the numbers and we can check the answers, whether my answer is right or wrong. How to check the answers, I'll teach you. The fourth example is 1059 is divided by 3. Okay, then how to divide this 1059 by 3? Already you know that in the previous type 1 questions, as my dear, right as shown, 1059 is a dividend and 3 is a divisor. Now this, if I take this 1 is in the thousands place, so 3 is greater than 1 or 1 is less than 3. That's why I am considering 2-digit number here. 10, this 2, if I consider 2 digit means it becomes 10. So in the 3 table 9 is there, 10 minus 9 is 1. Then bring down this hundreds place, this 5, this becomes 15. 3 how much of 15? 3 5s are 15. Then 15 minus 15 is becomes 0. Then my dear, next in the ones place 9 is there, no? You bring down this 9, then 3 3s are 9. 3 3s are 9. 9 minus 9 is 0. So remainder is 0 and quotient is Q. Q stands for quotient. This is 353. 353 is the answer. 353 is the answer. And in the type 2, divide, already we are divide these two numbers, 1059 by 3. We get the answer 353. How to check this answer, whether it is right or wrong? We have one formula, that is quotient into divisor. Quotient into divisor plus remainder is equal to what we will get? We will get dividend. What is the dividend? Dividend is 1059. Yes, put the values of quotient, divisors and remainder, then we will get the dividend. Yes, what is the quotient of this question? 353 into divisor is 3 plus remainder is, there is no remainder, that is 0. Then first of all we can multiply this divisor and quotient. Okay, this we can multiply it. Then you know the multiplication. Okay, this is single digit, 3 digit, 3 from the 3 we can multiply this both. Now 3 3s are 9, 3 5s are 15, 1 carry on hundreds place, then 3 3s are 9, 9 plus 1 10. Then 1059 plus 0 is again a 1059. What is this? This is a dividend. This is your dividend, 1059. Yes. How to check the answer? We can multiply both quotient into divisor. Then if any remainders are there means we can add to that product. We will get the dividend. Okay, my dear. Then we will go to the next fifth example. Your type 2 fifth example. 72,901 is divided by 8. First of all, we can write as shown. This is your dividend and 8 is a divisor. Then how to divide these two numbers? We know that 8 table. Okay, 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are 24, 8 fours are 32, 8 fives are 40, 8 six are 48, 8 sevens are 56, 8 8 are 64, 8 9s are 72, 8 10s are 80. Yes, in the 8 table, 72 is there, no? So my dear, take 8 9s are 72. 8 9s are 72. Yes, 2 minus 2 is 0, 7 minus 7 is 0. Then in the 100 place 9 is there, no? Bring down this 9 and this becomes 9. Now 8 ones are 8. In the 8 table 9 is not there, that's why we have taken their nearest number. 9 nearest number is 8. So 8 ones are 8. You can write in the question 1. It is multiplied. 8 ones are 8. Then 9 minus 8 is 1. Then in the tens place 0 is there. Now you bring down this 0. Then it becomes 10. 8 in the 8 table 10 is there, not there. I will take their nearest number again. I will take 8 ones are 8 ones are 8. 10 minus 8 is 2. Then in the ones place 1 is there. Now bring down this 1. This becomes 21. My dear, next I will take 8 twos are, because in the 8 table 21 is not there and the 21 nearest number is 16. So it 8 twos are 16. Then 11 minus 1 minus 6 is not possible to subtract. That's why I will take the borrow from here. Tens place this 2 becomes 1 and this 1 becomes 11. 11 minus 6 is 5. 1 minus 1 is 0. Now this 5 is the remainder and 9112 is the quotient. How to check the answer? Our answer is right or wrong? How to check? Yes, we know that formula: quotient into divisor plus remainder. What we will get? We will get dividend. Okay. Yes, put the values here. Yes, here 9112 into quotient is 9112 into divisor is 8. So first of all, we can multiply these two numbers. Okay, first 8 twos are 16, 1 carry, then 8 ones are 8, 8 plus 1 9, then 8 ones are 8, 8 nines are 72. Yes, that product of these two numbers means quotient and divisor. Product is 72,896. Then what is the remainder here? Remainder is there no 5. We can add this remainder to this product. Then 6 plus 5 11, 1 carry, 9 plus 1 or 1 plus 9 10, 1 carry, then 1 plus 8 9, 2 as it is, because 2 under 0, 2 plus 0 is 2, 7 plus 0 is 7. So my dear, this is your dividend. Dividend is the answer. How to check this? We get same dividend now here. 72,901 is there now in the dividend.